Good morning, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we start our session po, I'm going to ask you basic questions about yourself. Is that okay po? So, ma'am, can I know your full name?
Better than Harrison.
Okay, Bethel Veneration. So, can I know your birth date?
October 5, 2002.
October 5, 2002. So, ma'am, can I know your marital status po?
Single.
Single. Can I know po yung language o dialect na ginagamit niyo?
Kapampangan, Tagalog and English.
Kapampangan, Tagalog, and English. Pwede po malaman ang edad niyo na?
21.
21. Pwede po malaman ng educational attainment niyo?
I'm currently in college.
Currently in college. So, ma'am, kamusta na po kayo ngayon?
Okay lang naman. Ito medyo kulang sa tulong.
Medyo kulang sa tulog. Pwede po bang malaman kung bakit kayo kulang sa tulog?
Ang daming ginagawa sa school. Like, I feel overwhelmed and mababa yung nakuha ko ng score sa last exam namin. So, I feel nababagsak ako.
Kung nababagsak ka. Can I know why you feel that way po?
Because I made a mistake. Like me, a mistake. I should not have been born.
You made a mistake sa exam, kaya you feel overwhelmed?
Yes.
I see. Can you help me understand what is a mistake to you po, ma'am?
Mistake? Me? I'm the definition of a mistake. Dapat hindi na lang ako nabuhay. Like, I feel so helpless and all this pressure is on me. Look at me. I'm fat. I'm ugly. Even my own body hates me. Like, I'm only 21. I already have an irregular menstruation. Pati nga ang magulang ko eh. Feel ko hindi ako support. Like, dapat talaga hindi na ako nabuhay.
I'm here to help po. Ano po tayo ng malalim, ma'am?
Thank you. I still feel that I shouldn't have been born. You shouldn't bother with me. Dapat hindi ka na nagkabala eh.
Ma'am, it's okay din po. You're not a bottom po.
My God, I can't calm down.
Ma'am, here po tayo ng malalim. Repeat din po. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. How do you feel po, ma'am?
I think I'm hungry.
Alright po. Do you still want to continue the session po?
Yes, I can.
Are you sure, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Just inform me lang po if need be ng week or whatever it is. So, ma'am, can you tell me or can you enlighten me po about what you said earlier about you feeling fat?
Look at me. I'm like a big fat crying whale. I'm afraid of gaining weight. I have headaches. I have stomach aches, and I even rumble at times.
Ma'am, calm down po. Let's organize it again po. You feel helpless, you feel worthless, and you feel that your parents don't love you, and that you're afraid of gaining weight, and that your body hates you due to upset stomach, dizziness, and pain you have experienced.
Yes, I don't know why, but I shouldn't have been born. Bakit ba ako lumalabas? Bakit ba lumalabas yung katawan ko? I tried killing myself, but it's all for naught. Ito pa rin ako. Boy pa rin.
Ma'am, can you help me understand? Have you tried ways to kill yourself po
Yes, by splitting my wrist.
by sleeping early? So, ma'am, have you tried any alcoholics or drug substances?
No.
No naman po. So, ma'am, can you tell me what made you do that sleeping of your wrist po?
I don't know. I just feel worthless. Like, I just want everything to come to an end. Gusto ko na mawala yung pain na nararamdaman ko. Like, I can't take this anymore.
We're here to listen po. Let's find ways to manage that. I'm here to help. Is that okay?
That make being associated with me. Like, I'm fat. Even my own body in the whole world hates me.
What you feel is valid naman po. But I'm here to lend a hand. I'm okay with being associated with you and being with you here. Don't worry about it po.
Thank you.
You're very much welcome, ma'am. So, ma'am, let's promise each other po na once you feel like ending it, remember po na nandito po ako to listen to your concerns and words po. So, ma'am, can I suggest po na if you ever feel that way or you have bad thoughts or negative thoughts or thinking of wanting to end it and hindi na po natin makayanan, let's write it down po in the journal. Is that okay po?
Okay, I will write in right.
Yes po, ma'am, writing po. And can we also try another way of managing, ma'am?
What other way?
Other way po is like, let's do an affirmation po. I suggest affirmation every morning that you wake up, you're going to tell yourself, it's going to affirm what you feel on yourself po. And to start your day in a positive way po. So you're going to say, I am beautiful, I am worthy, I can do everything because I am an amazing person with is love. For now po, isusulat ko muna po siya and then I will give it to you later po. So can we try it, ma'am?
Um, I am beautiful. I'm worthy. And I can do everything because I am a basic person with love.
Yes po, that's very wonderful po. You have memorized it very fastly. So ma'am, can you do it one more time?
I am beautiful.
Yes.
I am worthy.
Yes.
I am loved. No, I can do everything because I am a wonderful person who is loved.
Yes po, ma'am. Pero instead of wonderful, you're going to use amazing. But either way, what makes you floatable? What do you want for to use to be po? So, ma'am, now that you have used it po, it's very good to know na napakabilis na po na-memorize. And that's an awesome thing po.
Can I try it one more time?
Yes po, ma'am. Let's go.
I am beautiful.
I am grateful.
I am worthy.
I am worthy.
I can do everything because I am an amazing person who is loved.
Yes, ma'am. That is very correct. Very awesome po na nakatanin mo agad.
Thank you. I'm glad that I came here today.
I'm very glad that you came here today po and that we have talked. So our time is running short, but till next time po, ma'am.
Okay. See you next time, Grace.
See you din po, ma'am.